Morning students, this is class 12th maths lecture 6th of chapter 9th differential equations. Today we will discuss exercise 9.5. So question number 5th is, this differential equation is given to you. You have to check if it is homogeneous or not, and then if it is homogeneous, solve it, right? So this is the differential equation given. First of all, calculate dy by dx by taking this x square on this side. Now let this be as our function fxy. Now we will check if this is the function, this function is homogeneous function or not of degree 0. If it is, then we will say that this complete differential equation is homogeneous. For this, taking f of lambda x lambda y. So in place of xy here, now put lambda x lambda y. Now take out lambda square common from all of these three terms and cancel out that lambda square with this lambda square present in the denominator. So you will get this, which is nothing but fxy, right? So we can say this function is homogeneous function of degree 0. Therefore this differential equation is also homogeneous. Now because the differential equation is homogeneous, let y is equal to vx. Now differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So you will get dy by dx equal to v plus x dv upon dx, right? Now put these in the given equation 1. So in place of dy by dx, you will get v plus x dv upon dx, and in place of y, put vx. So you will get this. Now take out x square common from all of these three terms and cancel it with this x square present in the denominator. So you will get x dv upon dx equal to 1 minus 2v square plus v, and take this v on this side, so minus v. Now apply the variable separable method. dv upon 1 minus 2v square equal to 1 by x into dx. This you will get when you will separate the variables. Now integrate both the sides. Integral of the right hand side will be log mod x plus c, right? And integral of this will be, here you can see the coefficient of v square is minus 2. So take out minus 2 common. Now it will be dv upon v square minus 1 by 2, right? This 1 by 2 can be written as 1 by root 2 whole square. So apply the formula of 1 upon x square minus a square. Integral of 1 upon x square minus a square is 1 upon 2a. A is 1 by root 2 into log x. X here is v. V minus a upon v plus a. So a is 1 by root 2, right? Minus 1 by 2 as it is, and also these terms as it is. Now take this term on this side, then you will get log mod x plus this will complete be 1 upon 2 root 2 into log. Now see, we cannot leave the answer in v. You have to write in place of v y by x. So write down y by x in place of v equal to c. So this is the solution of the given differential equation. Now question number 7th is, this differential equation is given to us. Find out the value of dy by dx, which you will get as this. Now this is the function in terms of x and y. Check if this function is homogeneous of degree 0 or not. You will get it that yes, this is a homogeneous function of degree 0, and therefore this differential equation is homogeneous. So let y as equal to vx, then dy by dx will be this. Make the substitution. In place of dy by dx, here write down this, and here in place of y write down vx. So you will get this, right? X cos v plus vx sin v into vx upon vx sin v minus x cos v into x. Now see, cancel out this x. Also take out x common from here, from these two terms and from these two terms, and cancel out that x also. So you will get cos v plus v sin v whole bracket v upon v sin v minus cos v, and take this v on this side minus v. Now take the LCM. You will get it as x dv upon dx equal to 2v cos v upon v sin v minus cos v. Now separate the variables. So you will get this into dv equal to 1 by x into dx. Integrate both the sides. This integral we know is log mod x. Now see, for this integral, let v cos v as equal to t. Now derivate both the sides. So v as it is, derivative of cos v is minus sin v, plus cos v as it is, derivative of v is 1, into dv equal to dt. So this integral, numerator into dv will become minus dt. In place of v cos v, write down t and take this 2 on this side. So it will be 2 into integral of 1 by x into dx. Now integral of 1 by t will be log mod t, and in place of t write down v cos v equal to 2 log mod x plus c1. Now see, this can be written as log x square, and when you will take this term on this side, it will be log m plus log n, which is log m into n. So you will get log x square into v cos v equal to c1. Take this log on this side, so it will be e raised to the power c1. It is again a constant, so you can give it any value. So write down, in place of this, just write down c, and in place of v, write down y by x. So the final answer will be xy into cos y by x equal to c. Number 8th is x into dy by dx minus y plus x sin y by x is equal to 0. Calculate first of all dy by dx, which is y minus x sin y by x upon x. Let this be as fxy. Check if it is a homogeneous function of degree 0 or not. For this, take f of lambda x lambda y. So you will get this, in place of y lambda y and in place of x lambda x, right? So you will get the same function fxy only when you will cancel out the lambda, right? So this is a homogeneous function of degree 0, and therefore differential equation is homogeneous. Now because the differential equation is homogeneous, let y as equal to vx. So dy by dx will be this. In place of dy by dx, write down this, and in place of y, write down vx in the given equation. So you will get it something like this. Now take out x common from the numerator and cancel it with the denominator, and take this v on this side. So applying variable separable, you will get it something like this. dv upon sin v equal to minus 1 by x into dx. Integrate both the sides. This is 1 upon sin v, that is cosecant v, and integral of cosecant v is log mod of cosecant v minus cot v equal to minus integral of 1 by x is log mod x plus c1. Now take this log mod x on this side, so you will get log of this plus log of this, and log of m plus n, log m plus log n is log m into n. So this will be log m into n equal to c1. Now x as it is, in place of v, write down y by x equal to, now see, when you will take this log on this side, it will become e raised to the power c1, right? And because this is also a constant, so give it some other name c. So this will be the answer. Now next question is, show the differential equation 2y into e raised to the power x by y dx plus y minus 2x e raised to the power x by y into dy equal to 0 is homogeneous, and find its particular solution when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. So see, first of all we will find the general solution, that is the solution which will include the constant c. Then use this additional information to get the value of c, which will give you the particular solution of this differential equation. So first of all, find dy by dx. It will be minus 2y e raised to the power x by y upon y minus 2x e raised to the power x by y. Now this is the function fxy. Check if it is homogeneous of degree 0 or not. For that, take f of lambda x lambda y. In place of xy, just put lambda by lambda x. Now see, I can take lambda common from the denominator and cancel out that lambda with the lambda present in the numerator. Also this lambda will cut, this lambda will also cut, right? So you will just get the function xy only. So we can say yes, this function is homogeneous of degree 0 and therefore this differential equation is homogeneous. Now you know, let y as equal to vx. So dy by dx will be this. Make the changes in the given differential equation. In place of dy by dx, this complete will come. And the right hand side will become minus 2vx into e raised to the power 1 by v upon vx minus 2x into e raised to the power 1 by v. Take this v on this side and also take out x from the numerator and cancel it with the x present in the numerator. So you will get this. Now take the LCM and solve it. So after separating the variables, you will get v minus 2 into e raised to the power 1 by v upon minus v square into dv will be equal to 1 by x into dx. Now integrate both the sides. Now to solve the integral on the left hand side. See here, e raised to the power is 1 by v and also you can see minus 1 upon v square exists in the integrand, which is the derivative of 1 by v. Therefore let 1 by v as equal to t. So after derivating you will get this. Now this integral will become, in place of v, 1 by t minus 2 in place of e raised to the power 1 by v, e raised to the power t, and this minus 1 upon v square into dv will become dt, right, equal to integral of this is log mod x plus c. Now integral of 1 by t will be log mod t minus twice of integral of e raised to the power t is e raised to the power t only, equal to, this is same. Now see, v is equal to y by x. So t will be x by y because t is 1 by v, right? So in place of this t here, I am writing now x by y. So log of x by y will be log mod x minus log mod y minus 2 into e raised to the power, in place of t, x by y. This term as it is. Now log mod x will get cancelled. So you will get log mod y plus twice of e raised to the power x by y equal to minus c, right? Now because we have to find the particular solution, some additional information is given that when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. So using that, log 1 is 0 plus 2 into, this is e raised to the power 0 upon 1, which is e raised to the power 0 equal to minus c. So the value of minus c is 2. In place of this minus c, just put 2. So this will be our final answer. Now there is one note which says homogeneous differential equation of the form this: dx upon dy equal to some function of x upon y can be solved by making the substitution x equal to vy. See, if this type of differential equation is given, then and if it is homogeneous, then you can solve it by taking x as equal to vy and derivating both the sides with respect to x. Till now what we have did, if differential equation is of this type, dy by dx equal to some function of y by x, we take y is equal to vx and then we derivated both the sides with respect to x and then we follow the procedure. But if it is of this type differential equation, then you can make the substitution as x equal to vy. Now see, this is the same question which we did, but now we will do it by reducing this differential equation in the form dx by dy. So when you will calculate the value of dx by dy, it will be this, and you can easily check this function is also homogeneous. So this differential equation is homogeneous. Now because we have reduced it in the form dx by dy, so let x as equal to vy, right, and derivate both the sides with respect to y now. So it will be dx by dy equal to v as it is, derivative of y with respect to y, which is 1, plus y as it is, derivative of v with respect to y. So in place of this dx by dy, write down this value equal to, in place of x here, write down vy. So you will get this 2v y into e raised to the power v minus y upon 2y e raised to the power x by y is from here v. Take this v this side and take the LCM. So it will be now y into dv upon dy equal to minus 1 upon 2 into e raised to the power v. Now apply the method of variable separable. Separate the variables and then integrate to get the value, right? So either you can reduce any differential equation in this form dx by dy or in dy by dx, right? It will be better if you reduce the equations in dy by dx, take y as equal to vx, because we have done most of the questions in that way only. So your homework is you have to do question 9 to 17th of exercise 9.5. Okay, thank you.